Welcome to Munmune Classroom. We start our new journey, target NEET. We solve here 34-year solution, NEET chemistry, that is 1988 to 2021. First chapter our is class 12 solid state, topic classification of solids. We see first question. A pure crystalline substance on being heated gradually first forms a turbid liquid at constant temperature, and still at heating at higher temperature turbidity completely disappears. The behavior is a characteristic of a substance forming. It came AIPMT in 1993. It is the characteristics of liquid crystal. So here is our answer is option B. It is the characteristics of liquid crystal, which on heating first make the solution turbidity, and then after heating at higher temperature it fully dissolves. Second question is, most crystals show good cleavage because these atoms, ions or molecules are. We solve it, but in this solution we never use calculator or any types of gadget. The most crystals show good cleavage because their atoms, ions or molecules এটা হচ্ছে arranged in a regular geometry, that is arranged in planes. In crystals, the constituent particles like atoms, ions or molecules are arranged in definite order arrangement. So when these crystals are cleavage, they cut into regular patterns. Third question is, for orthorhombic system, axial ratios are A not equal to B not equal to C, and axial angles are. For orthorhombic system, it is like this: length, base and height are not equal. This side and this is not equal, and base is not equal, but the angle is each of 90 degree. So our answer is option B. The ability of a substance to assume in two or more crystalline structure are called. It is polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Some substance adopt different structural arrangement under different conditions. Each arrangements are called polymorphism, and this phenomenon is called polymorphism. Next topic is our cell unit and packing and solids. First question. Write option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in hexagonal primitive unit cell are. Hexagonal primitive unit cell has coordination number 12. Number of atoms or particle is 6. Number of particles is 6. That is n equal to 6. So number of tetrahedral void is double to the number of molecules, that is 6 double 12, and octahedral void is same, tetrahedral is double 12. and octahedral is same, so it is 6. So our answer is D. So octahedral void is 6, tetrahedral is 6 × 2, that is 12. Next problem. The correct option for the number of body-centered unit cells in 14 types of Babis lattice unit cell. It is 3. We get 3 types body-centered unit cell in 14 lattice. This is R, cubic, orthorhombic and tetragonal. Cubic, orthorhombic and tetragonal, these 3 types Babis have body-centered unit cell. So our answer is 3. Next question. An element has body-centered cubic, that is BCC structure with a cell age 288 picometer. The atomic radius is, here we get A, value of A, age length, that means A is 288. For BCC, our formula is 4R equal to A root 3. That means R equal to A root 3 by 4. That means root 3 by 4 into 288. That is our answer is option D. It came in NEET in 2020. It is very important question, this are. Next problem. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. Anions form hexagonal close packing HCP lattice, and the cations occupy 75% of octahedral voids. The formula of the compound, it came NEET 2019. Let consider the number of anion A is n. We consider number of anion A is n. So number of octahedral voids is n. So number of C is 75% of n, that means n into 75 by 100, that is 3n by 4. So A is to C or C is to A, C is to A equal to 3n by 4 is to n, that means 3 is to 4. So our answer is C3A4, option B. Next problem. Iron exhibits BCC structure at room temperature above 900 degrees centigrade. It transforms to FCC structure. The ratio of density of iron at room temperature to that at 900 degrees centigrade, assuming molar mass and atomic radii of iron remains constant with temperature. It came NEET in 2018. First, very clearly read the question. Iron exhibits BCC structure. For BCC structure, R equal to A root 3 by 4 for BCC. For FCC, R equal to A by 2 root 2. So the density the ratio of density. So density of BCC by density of FCC equal to rho equal to Zm by n A cube. A cube means here A is 4r by root 3. Here A is 2 root 2r. That means 4r by root 3 whole cube. Here Zm by n 2 root 2 r whole cube. Zm cancel out, n cancel out. So that is 2 root 2 r cube by 4 r by root 3 whole cube. That means 16 root 2 r cube by 64 r cube into 3 root 3. A cube cancel out. 4 root 2 2 root 2. That means 3 root 3 by 2 root 2. Make any problem? Yes, we get the problem. This z is and this z is not same. It is BCC, so value is 1. It is FCC, sorry, 1 means 2. And it is FCC, so its value is 4. So it cancel out and makes 2. So we get a 2x's in here. That means 4 root 2. That is, our answer is option A. I think you understand the whole problem. First we make A for BCC and FCC, then rho is Zm by n cube and FCC for Zm by n cube, Z for BCC 2, Z for FCC 4. Then we putting the value and we get the 3 root 3 and by 4 root 2. That is our answer is A. Now problem number 10. The ionic radii A plus and B minus are 0.98 in 10 to the power minus 10 meter and 1.81 in 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion AB is. For this particular math which came in 2016, we make radius ratio. That is r plus by r minus. Radius of cation. Radius of cation is 0.98 into 10 to the power minus 10 by radius of anion 1.81 into 10 to the power minus 10. It is cancel out. For easy math, 0.9 and 1.8. So we get it is 1 by 2. That means 0.5, which lies between 0.4412 0.732. It is coordination number range of octahedral, which is coordination number is 6. So our answer is D. calcium fluoride having the fluoride structure. The coordination number of calcium ion Ca2 plus and fluoride ion F minus R. Formula is CaF2. So the coordination number of calcium is double coordination number of fluorine. Here coordination number of calcium is 8. So coordination number of fluorine is half of calcium, that means 4. So our answer is 8 and 4. C. Question number 12. The vacant space in BCC lattice is. For BCC lattice, packing efficiency is 68%. So vacant space is 100 minus 68%, that means 32%. So our answer is option D, 32%. Question number 13, which came in 2015. A given metal crystallize out a cubic structure having edge length 361 picometer, edge length, that means A. If there are 4 metal atoms in one unit cell, 4 metal atom in one unit cell, that means 4 metal atoms, that means FCC. We get the conclusion, this crystal is FCC. So we want to know the radius of one atom, that means R. R equal to A by 2 root 2. Here A is 361 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means 361 by 2 into 1.41. That means 1.4. That means 361 by 2.8. 2.8 divided by 361. 128. That means 9, 8, 1. It's come to 2, 3. That means 2. 46. That means 5, 4, 0. So that means get with 7 and get answer option B. 1, 2. So our answer is B. It's make time to consume. Lithium metal crystallized in a body centered cubic BCC structure if the length of the solid of the unit cell lithium is 351 picometer. The atomic radius of the lithium will be. Lithium is in body centered cubic BCC structure. So here A equal to 4R by root 3. Length of sides, that means R equal to A root 3 by 4. That means 351 by 4 root 3. 7 into the 4. 8, 84, 20, 32, 32, 33, 32, 3, 1. I mean 87 point something. If we get it 52, that means 88. Instead of 351, we consider 352 for our easy cancel out. It is 88. So 88 root 3, that means 88 into 1.7. 88 into 1.7, that means it is near about 151. So our answer is B. Next question comes from 2009. Copper crystallized in a face-centered cubic FCC lattice with a unit length, cell length 361. It is FCC. For FCC, R equal to A by 2 root 2. That means 361 by 2 root 2. We take it 360. Oh, 180 by 1.4. That means if we get it 2, that means near about 130. That means 128. We get 180. We get 182 in stand of 180 for our easy solution. So it is 130. The value of 130 near about 130 is 128 picometer. The percentage of free space in a body-centered cubic BCC unit cell. For BCC unit cell, packing efficiency is 0.68 or 68%. So vacant space is 32%. Option B. If A stands for edge length of the cubic system, simple cube, that means A R equal to A by 2 is to for body centered is A root 3 by 4. For FCC, A by 2 root 2. That means our option is option A. Which of the following statements is an incorrect? 2008. The fraction of total volume occupied by atoms in a primitive cell is 0.48. It is wrong. It is 0.52. So our answer is option A. 2007. The fraction of total volume occupied by atoms present in simple cube is, for simple cube, packing efficiency rho equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. A cube means 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2r whole cube. That means 4 by 3 pi r cube by into 8 r cube. R cube cancel out. 4 2s are 8. That means pi by 6. So our answer is option A. In FCC lattice, a unit cell is shared equally how many unit cell? It is unit cell FCC. That means this part are shared in 2. Each sides shared with 2 cells. So it has 6 sides. So it's shared with 6 unit cell equally. A compound formed by element X and Y crystallize in a cubic structure in which X atoms are cornered. X atoms are cornered. It is a very important. X are cornered. The number of X equal to 8 into 1 by 8 or cube, and Y at the face center. Face center. The number of Y is 6 into half. That means 1, 3. So our answer is XY3. Option A. Z converts from its metal state to its solid state. It has HCP structure. Then find out the number of nearest atoms. For HCP, its coordination number is 12. So our answer is option C, 12. Please give feedback of your how you like the video. If you like, please share the video. We see again in next video.